Good morning vlog. So it is our second day here in Portofino, and today we're gonna go grab a little coffee, and then we're gonna go on a 2-hour hike to a beautiful beach, and that's gonna be our day. And then we're gonna do other things, and I'll bring you guys along with us. Hope you guys are enjoying. Actually, did you guys see my first vlog? I hope you guys liked it. I thought it was really fun. We're kind of on a time schedule right now because it's currently 9, but we want to get to the other side of Portofino by at least 11:30, just so we can spend more time at the beach. And yeah, catch you guys soon. So we're having an espresso. You know me, you know I don't drink coffee, but while in Italy, why not? Literally. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I think when you go to certain places and you're within their culture, you want to try and do what the locals do, what the people do. And even if I'm not a fan of coffee, I'm gonna still enjoy it, you know? Also, it's such a beautiful day. Like, look at this.
I mean, because I like.
Did you use the brown one?
Sugar. Yeah.
Okay, good.
I always prefer brown sugar.
Same. Wow, this is like, I'll put all of it. This is the first time I've made a choice to get an espresso.
Really?
Yeah. It's, like, yeah. Who comes to Portofino just to do a hike? We do. No, but it's just wild. But I know this is gonna help us because we are obviously foodies, and it's just gonna give us like a really good balance because yeah, I mean, we have the time and energy now, so I think it's good that we're very physical on this trip. But yeah, it's gorgeous here. I think you can see the castle from here. Anyways, let's keep going. So we're like really far away from the port right now. Do you see that? Do you actually see how high up that goes? Oh. So we just spotted this sign that says Punto Panoramico, and let's take a look. This will be my first time too. So let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is flawless. I do. Yeah, I see it.
Exactly.
I think we're really close by. Hey vlog. So we have basically made it, and suddenly you can see the ocean, the boats, and you just know it's gonna be incredibly beautiful. Like, this is such a blessing to be here. It's just so beautiful. It doesn't make any sense. We've just made it. We've decided we are going to come and probably make home here. So stunning. Bon appetit.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, darling. Woo! Yes, Martin, you killed that. Yay! I'm so happy you did that. This beautiful place, and we don't know when we'll be back again. I love you and miss you already. Hey vlog, so we've just gotten off the boat from San Futuroso, which was that beautiful place you guys saw me out just a couple of seconds ago. Now we're back on the port of Portofino. Let me show you here. Now we're doing another hike, but this time we're going to the castle, which is right there. But we decided we'll get some ice creams on the way, because it's gonna be quite a walk. It's currently like 4:15, you reckon, babe? 4:30? What's it time? Yeah, honestly we don't know the time, but it's daylight still, so it's all good. Yeah, but that's us right now. We'll catch you guys soon. Oh, getting closer. So when we were coming up, it said that from the 18th to the 25th of May it's closed, but there is a beautiful garden up there, so we're gonna, oh my gosh, the sun's coming out, even better. Yeah, so there's a garden there and that's for free, so you can go in, but the castle itself is closed for now. We'll see. They're probably doing construction, because yesterday we had seen this helicopter and he had been like dropping things literally from the top, just obviously in a safe way. But we were just trying to like figure out what was going on. Good evening vlog. So we are on our way to have dinner and we're walking today, so I opted for some like, you know, walking shoes, honestly, because we're not about to do a uphill battle, okay? Anyways, so we're gonna walk and I'm really excited obviously to eat because we are hungry. And yeah, so let's go. And today I'm not walking like a fucking cowboy, okay? I can do this. No, I'm kidding. Now we're getting weird. I'm kidding. Okay, let's go. That is where we are going. Hey vlog, so we are currently headed back to our hotel. Yes, we're headed back to our hotel. So we're basically just, you know, walking, having a stroll, checking out this beautiful hotel as we head off to our own hotel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we're leaving this insanely beautiful part of the world, and I literally had a cry a couple of minutes ago because I couldn't believe that I was here, and I was super, I mean, I am grateful at this moment, so I had to like, you know, let the tears just, you know. Anyways, I'm an emotional person, but it's all for the best. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning and let's see where this holiday goes, okay? And I'm really excited. It's gonna be fun. But thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching anyways, I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in a couple of seconds basically. See ya. Good morning vlog. It is currently 7:03 in the morning and I just got my 4th Italian trip card. Guys, look at this. Let me read it to you. It says, enjoy your last day in Portofino. You will then catch the boat at 2 o'clock to Monterosso al Mare in the Cinque Terre exclamation point. Gives you a little map here. Thanks, babe. I'm so excited. Like, I'm going to Cinque Terre. Oh, thank you God so much. This is me at the moment. I woke up around 6:59. We're gonna start packing up because you guys saw we have a lot of flight of steps to go down, plus that steep hill. Thank you God. I'll show you guys what it's looking like earlier this morning. It's friends. I'm doing a happy dance. That's my happy dance. Cool. So we're packed, ready to go. Today, these go into this bag, but we're gonna go to the beach first, so I'm gonna keep it out. And it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful little home that we've had for the last couple of days. So we're still here for a couple of hours and then we are gone. But yeah, say goodbye, guys. This is what I'm wearing for the beach. My Champion top and my Champion pants. So these are like all vintage, not mine. They're actually Martin's and he was throwing them away and I'm like, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. So now I brought them with me and okay, let's get out of here, babe. I'm doing the most. Leave it open? Yeah, good idea. Awesome.
Was this yours?
No, that's not mine. Imagine if we brought this. No. Let's put it back where it was. It's this cute mirror here. Wait, where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? My happy dance. I have to dance. I have to sing. I'm happy. It's time to get out of here. Headed off to the beach, kids. Let's go. Come on. Gonna miss this place like heavy. Guess who's having another coffee today at Bar Mariuccia? Me and Martin. I think we sat here yesterday. Let's sit there again.
For the milk, is it possible to have almond milk or soy milk?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Soy, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
And uno espresso.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Grazie.
Yeah.
Such a nice day.
We missed the nicest part, really.
We missed the nicest spot.
But yeah.
Oh my god, it's so open.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Mm.
Right there. Guys, we're leaving this magical place. I'm missing it already. It's so amazing here. Like, cheers.
I've already eaten my car.
Me too. Cheers. Look a mess. Cheers to that as well. But I feel amazing. We got us some ice cream. We're waiting now for the boat, which comes in about maybe 40 minutes. So, yeah. There's so many more people here today. Even from like 3 days ago, there was like nobody. Today it's like packed. Yeah, it's gonna be a really busy summer.